Mommy.
Dad.
Right, and Mommy's right there. That's Mommy, and that's Daddy. Yeah, I'm right here. And here's baby Olivia. Who's in this shot? That's Mommy again. Yeah. And there's Bubby. And who's this? Is that Mama? And there's baby Olivia. Who do we have here? Oh, we're moving along. Here are your cousins. There's Jonah and Leah and Adam. We'll take a picture of Zach. Here are your uncles. There's Uncle Alan and Uncle Steve. Are you dancing to the Uncle Steve song in your head?
Uncle Steve, Uncle Steve, Uncle Steve. Uncle Steve, 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 Steve.
Steve, Uncle Steve, Uncle Steve, Uncle Steve, Uncle Steve, 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 Steve.
Where's Grandma? And Grandpa?
There's Grandpa. Who do we have here? Is that Great Grandma Tess? And you can see Aunt Steph in the background. And Daddy. And look, there's Uncle Steve and Adam. And who's Daddy holding? Is that Olivia? There's Aunt Sarah. She gave you this dress. And there's Mommy and Olivia. Are you playing with my wrist hair? Hi, and my chest hair. All three of them. Hey, don't nurple me.
I'm gonna stop the video now.